Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something super important to talk about: how to block someone on TikTok following the latest 2024 update. Whether it's to protect your peace or just to clean up your feed, I'm here to guide you through the new streamlined process. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open TikTok now. TikTok's interface is pretty user friendly, but with the new update, they've made managing interaction even more straightforward. To block someone, you'll need to find their profile. There are few ways to do this. First one is go to the magnifying glass, then type in the username whose TikTok account you want to block. Then tap on the user's account. Now tap on the share icon beside the bell icon. Swipe until you find block, then tap on block. Now TikTok will confirm whether you want to block this account or not. Tap on block. And there you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide to block users on TikTok. Remember, your online space is yours to curate and protect. So use these tools as you see fit to keep your experience positive and enjoyable.